guys, so it's the next day, and like I said, last night we was working late here on getting this leadings and everything smoothed out, and like I said, we're working our way around the cab. So today, guys, we're gonna actually get with this you know, little rot and rust down here on the bottom of the floor pans. And like I said, I replaced the whole floor pan, as you guys see here, and I still gotta weld up these holes, which is my least favorite things. But I'm really not gonna show you guys that because I already showed you guys the floor and stuff. So after I weld that up, tack that up and stuff, we're gonna start on this front firewall. So hopefully we will be able to get to this firewall today, and that's where we at. So I'll cut you guys back on after I finish welding the floor, and we'll start getting on that firewall. All right, guys, so we are back, and now we're about to get serious with this firewall here, man. So we are gonna try to start to smooth out this firewall. Let me show you guys what my intentions are, my plans are, hopefully. I don't know, I just think it's gonna be a lot of work to just, I've drilled these up before. That's just a lot of welding, so I think I'd be better off just taking a sheet, and I will actually measure where this needs to go and cut and just weld this one piece in. I think it'd be better to do it like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out, cut this side out, and then measure it, and we're gonna go ahead and I think that's gonna be smoking, man. I tell you, once we put that up there, flush everything, hey, that's gonna be pretty smoking, brother. So let's go ahead and get to it. What I'm going to do is I was going to put the little glico fasteners on the inside, but it's too many grooves, so I think what I'm going to do is just be able to put this piece on the outside here, and I'll turn you guys around so you guys can get a better view of it. I just need to try to put a few glycos in here, and then I will trace it out. So here. Get the other one set up. It's really good, so I can trace that. So now you can see my scribe. Gotta go in here, straight down, across, and water that up right there. So now we're gonna start getting into it. We're gonna go ahead and cut it up. All right, so we are back now, guys, and I actually went and got my welding clamps on pretty good. Everything is even across, as you guys can see there. And I'm going to go ahead and start tacking it up. And let's see how it works out for us. Let me show you guys how it's looking. Like I said, I take my time. Can't be in a rush when you're doing these little welds here. You not want to warp it. See my little spot welds there? Turned out good. Now I take my clamps off and I put a tack right there where the clamps were. So let me turn you guys off and take those clamps off. Alright, so we are back. It's cooled down. I actually went on ahead and I cut this side out already. So whenever that was cooling, whenever the pasture side was cooling down, I went on ahead and cut that out. So I would tack weld this up now, and after I put a few tacks on it, I'll come back over here and I will go ahead and get my welding clamps and put those back on. So let's get to it. Let's do some work. Let's do it. actually weld them a little closer to each weld now. You get them closer and closer. All right, crew, I'm gonna take you guys up a little closer. And like I said, you guys should know by now this is a little tedious process. I think this is actually gonna be all for today because I do not want to warp. I'm doing such a good job right now with everything and I don't want to warp it. But I will go ahead and set this up and that way I have that ready for tomorrow. But I think we got a lot of stuff done today, so that's good. So I guess I'm gonna have to basically finish this video tomorrow and I'll cut you guys back on. You know, so we got a lot of stuff done. So I appreciate you guys watching. Hey, and don't you guys forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you share this video with others and stuff, man. That way it enables my channel to grow and, you know, we can at least do a lot more content like this, guys. So, you know, like I said, this is still, you know, new to me and stuff with all the welding. I am getting better and stuff. But as you see, guys, we're doing an excellent job. We're taking our time. You can see the side, how straight it is. No warpage. And I want to make sure it doesn't warp. So that's going to be it for today. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow.